What the fuck? Yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jungle Man here. How y'all doing, man? How's quarantining? How staying at home doing, bro? Stay home, stay safe. All that shit. Bro, quarantine got me looking mad ugly, bro. Look, my hair is getting mad long. I need that fade. I need, look, bro, my beard's coming in. Look, the mustache coming in too. Look at this. Goatee and everything, bro. Your boy be looking mad ugly, but it's okay, bro. Alright, bro. Let's get to the video, bro. So today I'm gonna be reacting to Korean song 2020, bro. The song is called Yang Jasu. I don't know what that means. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, so I don't know what that means, but it's Topado Jala one fish paste. One fish paste. Man's a rapper now? Okay, yo. I can't wait to hear this song, bro. They dropped a couple days ago. Your boy's been busy doing nothing. You already know. So yeah, man. Let's get to the video then, bro. Say no more, man. Alright. And the other guy, I don't know, they didn't put the name in the description, so yeah, man. Alright, let's go. Let's get this shit, bro. Korean song 2020. Let's get it. Oh damn, okay.
Vậy đây cái play từ mà nó cái ưu tiên gì là tại vì là thu phát đồ mà nó tại vì play cái chỉ nhà cái mình đó tại vì mình ya cho sự đọc bản nó khu này tại vì là ya đi cái share cái Facebook là cái khán giả là cái Facebook này cái how mà khán giả cái Facebook esa pro là anh how khu này share cái này mà khu này bắt thi vào mà nó khu này tại vì số là play gì lo có đây là play mà nó khu này tại vì khán giả cái điều này là từ mà nó khán giả là tại vì này cái piece do wa daga thu pha do daga so pla daga mi ro ya daga ma no ta tai play na ya cho su do pa na ni mo no aku ne ndu mi ba pa da kwa ra aku ne i du kwa ndu adu de che mo no
Okay, so I got the wrong link, guys, so let me see. Alright, yo. Okay, the song. Okay, now I got the right link. So the song is called Yasu Rice Buffalo Peace Do Wa. I don't know what that means, bro. I'm butchering the name or whatever they're trying to say. So look, people's in it are Peace Do Wa, Big Bird, feature Jala and What Fish Pig. Let's get in there, bro. Let's get this shit. Okay. Alright, bro. Let's go. Alright. Let's get it. Okay, Big Bird. Oh damn. Okay, I see with the boom. Okay, what fish paste? Yo, Chala in the back kills me though, man. Pull up with the sunglasses like this. Okay, boy. Okay, talk a shit. Okay, young singer. Man got the smoke. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Bro, so look, the first guy, he's funny as hell, bro. I saw a couple sketches of, you know, him and Jala and stuff. Man, his flow is good, but he's doing poetry, bro. He's not rapping, he's doing poetry. You know what I mean? So that shit was dope, bro. Let's go. Watch fish paste. One fish paste, bro. Man, pull up, bro. Man, pull up with the Yo, they all pull up with the black on. Okay, I see you, bro. Alright, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? Yeah. Yo, Charlie killed me, bro. This guy came in like, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, big man. Okay, let's go then. Yajasu, what does that mean, bro? I don't know what that means. Let me know. Comment down below, bro. Yajasu, right spana. Yajasu dopana. Yajasu, Yajesu, I don't know, bro. Comment down below, bro. Damn. Bro, the last dude was like calling somebody else looks like you say you like Tupac. That shit funny, bro. And then Jala is always on, like, always with his bullshit, bro. This guy was like, with his dance move and shit. The man got the smoke on the side. Yo, that shit's too funny, bro. Jala is the best, bro. I'm telling you right now. Jala is the fucking GOAT. Yo, man's funny, but man looking fresh though. Man got the tux, the freaking bow tie, bro. Man got the suit on, bro. They looking fly right now, bro. Okay. Alright, bro. So that was Jasu. That was Jasu, Rice Buffalo. It was funny, bro. To me, it was funny. The song was good. I don't know like what they're saying. I don't like Kid. I know what they're saying, but I don't fully understand like the whole story. Like I get it, like, you know, he's talking about like the guy who wakes up, drink whatever. Bro, just comment down below what the song is about, bro. Your boys. Alright, bro, your boy's out. Peace out, yo. Let me know what I should react to next. Just comment down below. Comment down below, yo. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I'm uploading. Ooh, your boy's out. Peace. Ooh.